Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you my new mixer. I'm so excited. This is actually the first time I own a mixer, and I went with the SMEG brand. And actually I went with this one because I guess just more for the looks, because it's really nice and beautiful. But I'm gonna be trying it today. We're gonna do a corn cookie, and I got this mix from Trader Joe's, so that's what I'm gonna be trying it on today. I'm gonna give you a quick tour so you can see what is this about. Let's go ahead and start. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and start with a quick guide. When you open it, you can see right away this beautiful picture. You turn it and it gives you the parts of it and what is that for. I give you the functions and the utensils. And if you keep going here, it gives you few recipes. And it comes actually in two languages. It comes in English and comes in French. So that's nice. Okay, so now the utensils, we have the wire whisk, we have the hook, I think is this called, and the flat beater. And we have this shield, it's the pouring shield. So let's move this side. Look how beautiful this looks. And I picked the white so it can match with my kitchen. I love the cup or the bowl. It looks like a big cup of coffee. This one, if you got this side, you're gonna secure it and you insecure the other side. If I can insecure it. Hold on. I don't know what the heck happened. Anyway, so when you want to put this up, you're gonna press this button right here. You press this and then you put it up. Again, same, put it down. Here are the speeds, is 1 to 10. Low, medium, and high. Now this part here on the front, you can remove this and you can add an extension and you can do pasta. I know they have some other functions. They sell some extensions and you can use the same machine to do something else. Today I'm gonna be testing it with the bacon mix that I told you. And yes, I'm excited. So let's go ahead and start. Let me see if I can unlock this first and then we go from there. Okay, so we have our 2 sticks of butter here. And we're gonna start whipping this. And we put it right now on the medium. So we're gonna leave it there a few minutes until this becomes wet. All of it. Oopsie. Okay, so I changed to the hook, so let's see how that works. Yep. I'm just trying to push this here. Okay, this is ready. Check this out and watch my mess I did, sorry. Okay, so now we're supposed to do like some small balls, like maybe like this, and we're supposed to form the cookies. So let's start doing that. Okay, so here is the little balls. Actually, I read the instructions again, and it's just to form a ball, not to form the cookie. So we're gonna put them like this in the oven for 15 to 18 minutes, and I'll show you in a little bit. So let me put this here. Can you open the oven? Okay, so we're gonna put them this way because it's more space for the other one. Okay, there you go. See you in 15 minutes, little balls. Okay guys, so the 15 minutes are up. So the timer is off, but we just want them a little bit more crispy, so we're gonna leave them there for another maybe 3 to 4 minutes. We're gonna keep the light on to keep checking on them. Okay, let's open this. It smells so good. Look at this. Wow. Oh, let me turn off the fan here. Oh my goodness. Okay, we have another batch that we need to put, but look at this, are looking so good and they smell so good. Okay, let's do the other batch. Okay, so let's go ahead and put them in this plate for now. Whoop. Yes, sweetie. Tell me, what happened? No, tell me. So we put the next batch. We're gonna put 18 minutes. And they're right there. The cookies are super ready. And they're so crispy and so yummy. And I used my SMEG mixer for the first time. Be careful, Claudia. Okay, so yes, they are super yummy, and I finally got to use my mixer. I hope you like this video. If you do, don't forget to give a thumbs up. Please subscribe and see you next time.